Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add scroll to top button in your WordPress website. So for example, if I scroll down and here you can see there is no back to top button. So now let me go to plugin sections and we need to install a free WordPress plugin. So let me click on add plugin, then search for back to top. And here you can see these are different plugins, so I want to use this one and then click on activate. So now you can go and enable this button, then you can select the button size, and after that you can select the location. So by default bottom right, so I think this location is the best. Then click on save changes. So now let's go and reload this page. So if I scroll down, here you can see this one button is added